Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself typing dates into Google Sheets and wishing there was a quicker, easier way, something that keeps all your entries consistent and free from typos, then today's video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a calendar date picker to your Google Sheets, making it so much simpler to choose dates with just a couple of clicks. This updated method is perfect whether you're managing a project timeline, keeping track of appointments, or sharing sheets with others who need a foolproof way to enter dates correctly. Let's get right into it. First up, you'll want to decide where in your sheet you want the date picker to appear. Maybe you have a column labeled due date or event date, whatever makes sense for your project. Go ahead and click and drag to select the range of cells you want to turn into date pickers. Don't worry if you change your mind later, you can always adjust this range or repeat the process elsewhere. With your cells highlighted, look up to the top menu and find Data. Give that a click. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Data Validation. Click on that, and a new side menu or window will appear where you can start setting the rules for your selected range. Data validation is just a fancy way Google Sheets lets you control what kinds of information get entered in certain cells. Think of it like the bouncer at your favorite club who only lets in those on the guest list. In this case, we only want valid dates as entries. Now in the data validation window, look for the section labeled Criteria. Click to open the drop-down menu there and scroll until you see is valid date. Go ahead and select that. By choosing is valid date, you're telling Google Sheets, hey, don't let anything except a properly formatted date get entered here. This is super helpful for keeping your data neat and error-free, especially when you're sharing the sheet with teammates or collaborators who might not be especially careful with how they type in dates. After setting the criteria, click the Done button to apply your settings. That's all there is to it as far as configuration goes, nice and simple. You might not see anything different right away, but here where the magic happens. Now if you double-click any cell in your selected range, you'll notice a small calendar icon appears or even a whole calendar drop-down pops up. Just like flipping open a paper planner, this visual calendar lets you easily scroll through months and pick a date with a single click instead of typing it out. This feature saves time, reduces mistakes, and honestly just feels a lot more polished, especially if you're sharing your sheet around. Once you've picked a date from the calendar, it'll automatically populate the cell in the correct format. Don't worry if you're not familiar with the date formatting in Google Sheets. It'll handle it for you and ensure consistency across the board. If you click away and come back, the calendar is always there, ready whenever you want to change or add a new date. And there you have it. You've just made your Google Sheet infinitely more user-friendly by adding a date picker. This little tweak can make a huge difference, especially for projects, schedules, or anytime you rely on accurate date entries. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.